Hello student. In this lecture we want to study the graphical representation for the first order reaction. In last lecture we have been seen about the graphical representation for the zero order reaction. Today's session the graphical representation for the first order reaction. Suppose consider a first order reaction A gives product. तो पहला ग्राफ देखेंगे अपन, that is the graph that is the rate versus concentration. Rate versus concentration. So according to the definition of a first order, what is the rate is directly proportional to the concentration of a first power of a reactant. So when a graph is plotted between the rate on a y-axis or concentration on a x-axis, then the straight line passing through origin is obtained. This shows that it is a first order reaction. दूसरा ग्राफ अपन स्टडी करेंगे, that is the graph T half versus initial concentration. T half versus initial concentration. तो लास्ट पीरियड में अपन ने रिलेशन डिराइव किया था, that is the T half equal to 0.693 upon K, or we can say T half equal to constant. T half equal to constant, that is independent on initial concentration. So when a graph is plotted between the T half on a y-axis and initial concentration on a x-axis, then the straight line parallel to the x-axis is obtained. This shows that the half-life is independent on initial concentration. तो ये हो गया ग्राफ हाफ लाइफ versus initial concentration. Again we want to study the two important graph for the first order reaction, and these are derived from the integrated rate law expression, rearranging the integrated rate law expression. In last period we have been studied about the integrated rate law expression. क्या आएगा? K equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 A0 upon AT. तो पहला ग्राफ लेंगे अपन, that is the log A0 upon AT versus time T. Now rearranging this equation 1, that is the from equation 1 क्या आ जाएगा फिर log of A0 upon AT equal to, that is K upon 2.303 into T. Log of A0 upon AT equal to K upon 2.303 into T, और आगे समझो 0 लिखेंगे तो इट इज एन इक्वेशन ऑफ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन y इक्वल टू mx प्लस c. तो यहाँ पर अपने को c इंटरसेप्ट है. सो व्हेन अ ग्राफ इज प्लॉटेड between the log to the base 10 A0 upon AT on y-axis and the time t on x-axis, then the straight line passing through origin is obtained. Straight line passing through origin is obtained, and slope मिलेगा यहाँ पर m, slope equal to k upon 2.303. So from this slope you can calculate k equal to slope multiplied by 2.303. Again this equation, this graph is also used to determine the order of a reaction. कैसे? Suppose determine the concentration at a time t, suppose 5 minutes. Again determine the concentration at a time t 10 minutes, and drawing this slope, and from this slope you can calculate the value of a k1, and if for all observation k1 equal to k2 equal to k3, अगर तीनों भी ऑब्जर्वेशन तीनों भी कैलकुलेशन सेम आते हैं तो समझने का इट इज अ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. Again Now the next graph, that is the log of AT versus time t. Log of AT versus time t. So rearranging this equation, तो कैसे लिखोगे? अगेन इंटीग्रेटेड रेट लॉ, log of A0 upon AT equal to, that is the k upon 2.303t. Solving this, log to the base 10 A0 minus log to the base 10 AT equal to k upon 2.303 into t. Again now rearranging, log AT उधर लेके गए तो ये आ जाएगा प्लस, ये उधर चलेगा, ये इधर आ गया तो क्या आ जाएगा? माइनस के अपॉन 2.303 टी और प्लस लॉग टू द बेस 10 A0. अगेन दिस इज एन इक्वेशन ऑफ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. तो हियर y इक्वल टू mx प्लस c. तो हियर देयर इज ए इंटरसेप्ट और विथ ए graph negative slope. So when a graph is plotted between the log of AT versus t, तो क्या आएगा फिर? decreasing straight line with a negative slope. तो यहाँ पर log of AT versus time t is plotted, then the straight line with a negative slope is obtained. तो यहाँ पर slope मिलेगा अपने को minus k upon 2.303. So k equal to minus slope into 2.303, and by calculating at a different time interval for all the values of a k is constant, then it is found to be first order reaction. So this is the important concept, that is the graphical representation for the first order reaction from integrated rate law expression. Okay.